First, you're going to open the CamScanner app. It looks like green and blue, and it says CS on it. This is the screen that pulls up. You're going to press the button in the bottom in the middle, and it's going to pull up this screen for you. Now you're going to hit the album button in the bottom right-hand corner. Your photo album is going to pop up, and you're going to click on the picture you want to edit. Next, you'll click Select in the bottom left-hand corner, and then Import in the top right corner. This is the frame that you'll get. Next, you will see there are 4 dots around your picture. You can move these dots around so that they are touching all 4 corners of your drawing. Now, since we don't pay for this app, we're going to want to drag the bottom of our cropped image just a little bit so that the watermark is not on top of our picture. Now the app is going to edit it for you so that it's cropped and it looks straight. In the bottom left corner, you're going to click and hold on the original button, and this screen is going to pop up. The first thing that you can do is mess with the contrast. You can turn it up or down, and it'll adjust the contrast of your picture for you. Next, you can adjust the brightness. Turn it up to make it brighter and turn it down to make it darker. Make sure it looks close to how you actually drew your picture. Next is the detail icon. You probably won't need this one just because you'll want all the details of your picture, but it's there just in case. Now you're going to hit that green checkmark button and it will finish editing your photo for you. This is the screen that you'll get. Click on the picture, and then in the bottom right hand corner, click on the 3 dots that say More. You're going to click on the second icon that says To Album, and it will save the picture to your camera roll. Now you're going to open up your camera roll and click on the newly saved picture. You're going to click Edit, and then you're going to crop out the bottom part where the watermark is. You can also continue editing your picture if you don't think it looks close to your drawing, but otherwise you will be finished.